Hello guys, you're welcome, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the free traffic, right, to make money online, right. So you're harnessing the power of the organic traffic. That's everything. It's just free. You don't need to pay for anything, or you just use it to make money online. All right, my name is Iken from C7 Online Marketing Masters.com, a product reviewer and also an affiliate marketer. All right, now guys, I'll tell you something. You see, making money online is all about sending traffic to offers. Now this is my traffic, the free traffic. I have my SEO, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media. Now you send traffic to offers. There are various offers, as you can see, lined up over here. We have the CPA, we have the affiliate, you have the e-commerce, you have the AdSense, you have the Amazon. Okay, there are various others. All right, so but for the purpose of this tutorial, I just made it short. All right, so now matching up if a traffic to an offer gets you or makes you money, guys. It's just as simple as that. So but what you need to do is just to know what works for you. All right, so when you find, you can just match up SEO to CPA offers. All right, you test it out and know if it's working or not. So but I tell you something, that good quality targeted traffic to the right offers make you money. Good quality targeted traffic, like when you maximize your free traffic, your YouTube or whatever, you match it up maybe with an offer, any of these e-commerce, affiliate, or CPO AdSense, it gives you, you make money out of it. All right, so if you can watch from here, you see that there are loads and tons of possibilities of matching up free traffic to various offers and making money. Like, I have my proofs, and I will be showing you in this video what has worked for me over the years. Okay guys, now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be showing you, we'll be matching up free YouTube to affiliate. Right, you can choose your Facebook to e-commerce. All of them, these are loads and tons of possibilities of making money with a free traffic, making money online. You just pick up the right offers and you get a free traffic and you match it up. All right, so but in the next in our various upcoming tutorials, we'll talk about the paid ads, the paid traffic. Okay, but for this one, we are talking about the organic traffic. All right, so if you are excited about this and you can't wait to go with me as I test out the one of the free traffics to one of the offers over here, I just wanted to go down and click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and click on the notification bells to get um similar or awesome tutorials like this from me. All right guys, so in this tutorial, I'll be showing you, we'll be using the YouTube affiliate. That is, we're going to match the free traffic from the YouTube to offers, affiliate offers. All right, so guys, stay tuned, and while we go straight into these tutorials. Okay guys. Yes guys, over here it's my YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing that you must have, like if you want to match the YouTube free traffic source down to an affiliate offer, you've got to have a YouTube channel, right? So if you pretty much have a Gmail account, that means you're on your way to getting a YouTube channel. It's quite, no, it's really not difficult. All you just need to do is go set up your YouTube channel, and I won't really be walking you through that, but I'll be dropping a link where you can know how to get or open a YouTube channel. All right, so over here it's my YouTube channel, the first thing, and you can see I've already built up my YouTube channel to, in just few weeks of opening my YouTube channel, I was able to have a massive 1000k subscribers, 1000 subscribers more. All right, so but that will be a tutorial so another day on how you can build your YouTube following. All right, so guys, for this video we said that we're going to drive a traffic from YouTube down to an affiliate. All right, so when you talk about the affiliate, there's various affiliate networks, right? We've got the Clickbank, you've got your DG 24 store, you've got the Warrior Plus, you've got JVZoo, there are various Paykickstart. There are so many of the affiliate network out there. So but for the purpose of this video, we'll be harnessing the Warrior Plus. All right, so if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, don't worry, you're right on track. The first thing you do is going to the warriorplus.com. Warriorplus.com. Once you open the warriorplus.com, all right, over here you can see, just click on the Warrior Plus. Okay, let's just try and reload the page for your Warrior Plus account. You just go to www.warriorplus.com. All right, so that is it. And if you do not have an account with Warrior Plus, Warrior Plus is an affiliate network where you see where there are various vendors, various marketers, where various marketers come to advertise their products, and some also come to promote other people's product. Okay, so if you don't have, once you click here, you just go to sign up for free. All right guys, so and once you sign up for free, you should just go to the dashboard of your Warrior Plus account. Okay guys, now once you're here, you've got, okay, these are, you see various products and all that, but you can just go to offers. All right, you go to offers. Now you see various offers from so many vendors, from different vendors. All right, so what you do is you're going to find an offer that you feel that you can promote, and these offers basically ranges from info products to softwares to any of the marketing ebooks, or any of the marketing trainings that you would want to promote. Okay, so like over here you can see, you see that this particular product secret email system has generated almost 15,000, over 15,000 word sales. So you see that definitely it's kind of converting and all that. It's very good, fair enough. All right, and refund rate is 6%. It's okay, not too good, but whichever the case may be, we're talking about the affiliate. The first thing you do is, when you see a product that you want to drive traffic from your YouTube to that product, remember we said it's all about sending what traffic to offers. You send traffic to offers. All right, now this is the secret email system. What you do, I've already applied, you apply to the vendor of the to the vendor, and you get an affiliate link. The affiliate link looks like this. All right, so once you get this affiliate link, then you're on your way to driving traffic to this particular offer. So this particular vendor sells this product and really wants people to promote this product so he can get sales, so he can get leads, right? So what you do is, when you copy this affiliate link, all right, and once you copy the affiliate link, you go over to your YouTube. All right, now Here it's where the magic happens. What you do is you create a video. I know so many people would kind of be fidgeting, seeing their face or coming on air to view this, but guys, it's just all about mindset. Okay, so with the right mindset or right frame of mind, you can really do anything. I was once in that shoe, but now I don't think so, because I have lots and lots of videos over here, and definitely my face was just everywhere. And you make an honest review regards that product. As you can see over here, this a rapid commission site, done for you suit, Afi income training kit, Swift, Ara, lazy traffic sniper reviews, Zappable, Rank Snap. There's so much of them. And one thing about it is you're going to embed that affiliate link inside of this review video that you've got here. Okay, so I don't really need to play the video, but if you can see over here, this is early bird discounts, and this is that affiliate link sort of that I collected from the Warrior Plus. All right, so with this, once you send it out, remember the YouTube is the second largest traffic source right now in the world. So once you send it out, uh I bet you there'll be lots and lots of people going through the video, and that you could really much get that. So I really do not want this video to linger much, but really guys, if you're really excited about these tutorials, you just click on the subscribe button, okay, and click on my notification bells, where I'll be updating you on various tips and hacks. And in my next video, I'll be showing you maybe how we can maximize other traffic source and other offers. All right, stay safe guys, and see you in my next video. Okay.